Before you begin, I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Honor and privilege. I will forever be grateful, sir. Mr. Governor, Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, the Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Deputy Governor, Dr. Kadri Obafemi Amsat, the Deputy Governor of Lagos State, Mrs. President Congress in Lagos State, Mr. Babatunde Balogun, ably represented here. The Chief of Staff to the Governor, Mr. Tayo Akimade Ayinde, the representative of Mr. Speaker, Lagos State House of Assembly, and also the Chairman, Transportation Committee of the House of Assembly, Mr. Honorable Temitope Adedeji Adewale, the Head of Service of Lagos State Civil Service, Mr. Akim Muri-Okunola, the Honorable Commissioner for Transportation, Dr. Frederick Abimbola Olajayinde, the Special Advisor on Transportation to Mr. Governor, Honorable Oluwatoyin Moses Fayinka, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Transportation, Mr. Oluseyi Uwenu, all members of the State Executive Council here present, all members of the Lagos State House of Assembly present, the representative of our distinguished Senator for Lagos Central, Her Excellency Senator Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu, ably represented by Mrs. Oditoju. Our APC GAC leader, Omoba Murphy Adetoro, Your Royal Majesties Kabiyesi Elegushi of Ikate land, Kabiyesi Elejibo of Langbasa, I duly extend all courtesy to all other Royal Majesty here and other traditional chiefs. The Iyalode of Lagos, Chief Mrs. Bintu Fatima Tinubu, the representative of Honorable Minister of Works and Housing, Mr. Mikhail Babalola, the representative of the family of late retired General Mobolaji Johnson, here present, the representative of our father, the first civilian governor of Lagos State, Alhaji Lateef Jakonde, Her Excellency Mrs. Abimbola Jakonde. Invited diplomat, chairman of councils and local council development areas, distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, I welcome you with the language of a seaman by saying, ahoy. I am indeed very grateful to Almighty God to welcome you all to this epoch-making event to set the next frontier for Lagos economy and chart a new course for water transportation in our dear state, Lagos. Yes, Lagos is known as the center of excellence. Also, the state is prominently acknowledged as the state of aquatic splendor. It is this tag that appropriately captures the topography of the state. It is an open secret that Lagos, the smallest, most densely populated and most cosmopolitan state in Nigeria, has about 10 lagoons, with the Lagos and Lekki lagoons being the major one. The others are Yewa, Badagry, Ologe, Iyagbe, Kuramo, Apese, Epe, Mayin, Omu, and so forth. The Lagos lagoon is fed by several rivers, the most important of which are the Ogun, Ono, Ibu, Osun, Shasha, Ati, Oni. This government is fully committed to enhance the role of these lagoons and is capable of playing in the management of traffic and transportation in our dear state, which incidentally is the first pillar of TEAM's development agenda of our Governor Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu. Lagos State is literal in topography. All our 5 administrative divisions are accessible through the waterways. For instance, it is possible to access Badagry, the west end of the state from Ekpe, the far east end by ferry boat traversing Ikorodu, Lagos, and Ikeja divisions in the process. Before the construction of roads leading to the mainland, water transportation was the prominent means of commuting in Lagos. Imported merchandise for distribution into the hinterlands and local produce designated for Lagos' onward journey overseas were conveyed on the waterways. With over 30 jetties, there is no reason why Lagos should not diversify into other modes of transportation, particularly the water. For instance, it takes less than 7 minutes to cross from Ijede in Ikorodu, Lagos East, to Badore, Aja in Etiosa local government in Lagos Central. While from Bayeku, also from Lagos East, to Langbasa in Lagos Central is about 15 minutes. The journey of about 2.5 hours on a good day from Ipakodo to Ikoyi take less than 15 minutes from Ipakodo ferry terminal to 5 Cowries terminal in Falomo, Ikorodu. Lagos Ferry Services, as an agency in the Lagos State Ministry of Transportation, saddled with the responsibility of committing people and goods within the Lagos State inland waterways, and also to create sustainable partnership with the private sector on behalf of the state government in rendering comfortable, affordable, fast, efficient, and safe water transportation, and to ensure the sector becomes a major component of multimodal transportation system in Lagos State. Mr. Governor, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, water transportation is an integral component to the development of the Lagos multimodal transport system. We have no doubt that the waterways will offer further solution to persistent gridlock on our road and the ever-growing transport demand in the state. It was in this vision that your administration, sir, swiftly approved the procurement of 8 units of additional ferries to our existing fleet, which are locally built by Lagos-based companies, to make all our fleet 14 passenger boats and 1 cargo barge. The boats, Mr. Governor, distinguished guests of honor, ladies and gentlemen, they comes in following capacity. We have 3 units of 60 passengers boat. We have 2 units of 50 passengers boat. We have 3 units of 40 passenger boat. We have 4 units of 30 passengers boat. And we have 2 units of 25 passengers boat. All our boats are built with comfortable seats and equipped with modern day technology, like inbuilt Wi-Fi system on board entertainment. It comes with telephone charging points, and they are provided with GPS online real-time tracking solution to ensure the security of both the boats and the passengers on our waterways, which are monitored from our control room. With our global water transportation license given to us by LASWA and approved by the Lagos State Executive Council, LAGVERY will operate on all the waterways routes in Lagos State, though we are coming in gradual phases in accordance with the available capacity. Mr. Governor, after the official commissioning of the commercial operation of LAGVERY today, in less than 24 hours, we are deploying all our 14 available ferries to cover the 3 senatorial zones immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to let you know that from Ikorodu to Ebutero, Elegbata in Lagos Island and CMS Marina will be covered. From Ikorodu to 5 Cowries Ferry Terminal in Falomo, Ikoyi will be covered. From Badore, where we are today, Aja in Etios and local government, through Adas Jetty in Victoria Island to 5 Cowries Jetty Ferry Terminal in Falomo, Ikoyi is covered. Our dear people from Lagos West, from tomorrow, our services will be available from Ebute Ojo in Ojo local government through Ijegun-Egba in Oriade LCDA to CMS Marina in Lagos Island. Also, from the Lagos West axis, my 2 ferry terminal will kick off tomorrow to Apapa Liverpool in Lagos Central, onward CMS Marina in Lagos Island, Lagos Central. Also from Lagos Central, Badore Ferry Terminal will play host to LAGVERY from tomorrow, onward Ijede Jetty in Ikorodu local government. Mr. Governor, at this point, I must appreciate the contribution of the Ministry of Science and Technology for their collaborative role in ensuring that we put in technology to enhance service delivery and to ease the plan of potential commuters on Lagos ferry services. As we have been able to do away with cash management, which have been passed onward to approved ticket vendors with the use of the POS terminal to be deployed across all the 11 jetties and terminal where we'll be operating from tomorrow. Our collaboration with the Ministry of Science and Technology also yielded what is going to be officially launched today by the #1 passenger in the state, and that is Mr. Governor, LAGVERY Hub, which will be going live after the official commissioning by Mr. Governor today. Mr. Governor, in line with your directive to create an enabling environment for the private sector investment, we have received several proposals. We have talked to a lot of potential investors, both foreign and local, who are ready to partner with LAGVERY through franchising, boat management, route development, and joint venture. This is as a result of our well-developed and properly coordinated water transportation, which was put in place since 1999 by the administration of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The next level, after the passenger commuting, Mr. Governor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, is the movement of cargo, haulaging across the waterways. Movement of truck and other articulated vehicles will be largely reduced on our road transportation through conveyance on the waterway by LAGVERY and other private operators. We are also working hand in hand with other private sectors, investors, both local and international ferry builders. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Governor, I wish to state emphatically that the boats, 8 of the boats we are launching, we are commissioning today, were built locally through our partnership as encouraged by Mr. Governor and your administration. Messiah Sierra Craft, with their factory in Ekpe, they deliver 6 of the boats that we are launching today. Messiah Field Craft from Ilupeju, they delivered 2 of the boats that we are launching today. To assuage the feelings of our people at home, all these boats have been put on sea trial, they've been tested, and LASWA have certified, that's our regulator, they have certified them to be seaworthy. And they found them to be very, very safe and conform with international safety standard. Mr. Governor, with your support and the support of your administration, we hope and plan to expand to all the 40 routes where we have our global lancers before the 4th quarter of year 2020. LATVERY is determined to deliver on our mandate through an effective and real-time service delivery driven by technology and manned by competent professionals to the good people and business of Lagos. Mr. Governor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we at LATVERY, we are aware of the task before us. We just concluded our annual strategic management retreat and operational retreat. Our staff have been trained and they are found to be very competent to go on sailing Lagosians safely on our inland waterways. Mr. Governor, I wish to let you know that we are being guided by the core values we have developed because of the passion you show to develop water transportation in Lagos State. Your commitment to this particular sector is very deep, and I want to, on behalf of all Lagosians, commend you, your leadership, and your entire administration for the support we have gotten from Mr. Governor for water transportation system in Lagos State. Together, we shall redefine water transportation. Together, we shall sail Lagos safely. Okowa, Arifo, Igbega, Ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó, Àjùmọ̀ṣe gbogbo wa ni. Thank you very much for your attention.